Dan Deming of KKM Financial joins us now for the Trader Rundown. Dan, what would you be watching for this week?
This week we have PPI and CPI, so you got some inflation numbers, and again, we got a lot of central bank decisions last week. Bank of England moving, obviously the Fed moving as well, and I think that that trajectory that we're currently on will be either reinforced or questioned this week with some of these numbers. So I think that's something we're certainly keeping an eye on, as well as the tail end of earnings. And you got some of these averages now that are starting to, like the rotation factor. You're seeing like consumer staples coming into play a little bit more as tech sells off. So that's another thing that we're watching closely this week.
What would you be doing with your money this week?
I think that when you look at this market, we are up near all-time highs, or close to, for most of these averages. And again, is the economy going to continue to chug along? The real factor, though, Angie, is how this market continues to discount the tariff talk and the idea. Now, and you're seeing the China markets, the Chinese markets, under some significant duress. And you got to think at some point, either they're going to come to the table and try to negotiate this out, or that's going to drag the global economy down, and that ultimately will impact us. At what point, it's yet to be determined, but you got to think it's going to impact us. So, we're not making any changes, basically, but at the same time, I think that there's definitely, allocations into the various asset classes is something that we're not adjusting down either.
Very good to have you here. Thank you, and have a great trading day, Dan.
All right, thanks for having me, Ange.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.